Welcome to our video on Spring Hive maintenance tips for a successful beekeeping season. In this video, we will discuss important steps and techniques to ensure that your beehive thrives during the spring season. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced beekeeper, these tips will help you maintain healthy, productive hives. The first step in spring hive maintenance is to thoroughly clean and inspect the hive. Remove any debris, dead bees, and unused combs. Check for any signs of disease or pests, such as mites or wax moths. This is also a good time to repair or replace any damaged hive components. Next, it is important to replace any old frames in the hive. Over time, frames can become worn out or contaminated with disease. Replace them with new frames to provide a clean and healthy environment for your bees. This also helps with better brood production and honey storage. During the spring season, bees require ample food to build their population and collect nectar. Consider supplementing their diet with sugar syrup or pollen patties. This will ensure that your colonies have enough resources to thrive and prevent them from swarming. It is crucial to assess the health and productivity of your queen. Look for signs of a strong laying pattern and ample brood production. If you notice any issues, consider requeening the hive to improve overall productivity. Proper ventilation is essential for a healthy beehive. Ensure that your hive has enough ventilation to regulate temperature and humidity. This can be achieved by adding ventilation screens or providing upper entrances to allow for proper airflow. Spring is a critical time to implement pest control measures. Monitor for signs of varroa mites, small hive beetles, or other pests. Use approved treatments, such as organic acids or essential oils, to keep the infestation levels in check. Regularly clean and sterilize your equipment to prevent the spread of diseases. By following these spring hive maintenance tips, you are setting yourself up for a successful beekeeping season. Remember to continuously monitor your hives, address any issues promptly, and provide your bees with the care they need. Happy beekeeping!